Are you ready to go on a superhero adventure today? Get ready! Today's book is called I Will Stop Him by Camila Quintana. Boys and girls, when reading today, we're going to use the lips the fish strategy. That means we're going to get our mouth ready for the first letter sound of the new word. I will stop him. I will stop the alien. I will stop the What in the picture starts with That's right, rocket. I will stop the rocket. I will stop the car. I will stop the bus. I will stop the train. Boys and girls, do you hear me getting my mouth ready for that first letter sound? Join in and do it with me. Ready, go. I will stop the boat. I will stop the rock. I will stop the fire. Now try it all by yourself. I will stop the robot. All right, try it by yourself here. I will stop the monster. Great job. Today we worked on these power words, I, will, and the.